Welcome to my third video of my Python project. Well, to start with, the idea actually comes from a mobile game that I used to play. It is a hero-related fighting game. The character in the game will become stronger by upgrading them with a specific resource. And the resource has different types of value. Say, you need 5,000 amount of certain resource to upgrade a character, but the resource types you have would be 3250, 2500, 1250, 50, etc. As I don't spend actual money on the game, the resource I have in the game is very limited and I need to best use the resource. And this is a very painful moment for the game. Same case happens to coins calculation problem. Imagine you have traveled to another country and you have bunch of unfamiliar coins on hand. To do the little math every time during travel is certainly a not so relaxed moment for you to enjoy the trip. So is there a way to make life easier? If you search on the internet for an answer of coins calculation problem, you might see something like this. This is actually a very good one and I learned a lot from it. This method only tells you with given types of coin value, how many of each is required, which don't really solve my problem. In real life situation, you might not have the coin required, and based on what you have, the coins combination can have so many possibilities. And so this coins combination issue makes me try to work for a solution. And after times of failure, I have figured out a way to do that. For easier demonstration, I have assumed that I have total 10 coins, with total value of 769, which you can see below. I have one $500 coin, two $100 coins, one $50 coins and so on. For this coins calculation problem, I have thought of 4 possible results. First result would be asking for more than you have. Second result would be asking for exactly what you have. Third would be asking for part of what you have and no exchange is required. And the last one is when exchange is required. I will do all 4 demos as a test of my program. First demo. I have 769 but I need 769.3, so let's run the program by inputting 769.3. The program quickly tells that I need 30 cents more for the payment. Second demo. I have 769 and I ask for 769. The program simply tells all the coins are needed for this payment and no exchange is required. Third demo. I asked for $16, which you can see from my coin list. I can pay for this amount without exchange required. So let's run my program and see. And the program tells exactly to pay the 3 coins required. The program also shows the balance 7 coins after paid the 3 coins. Last demo, if exchange is required. Let's simply ask for $19.2. For the small amount coins I have only $19 in total. So a $50 coin is required to settle the payment. Let's see if the program will give the same answer. And let's run the program. The program instructs to use $50 as per expected. And I should get $30.8 value of coins as exchange. That's it for today's video and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment on my video and channel. Thanks.